Hello friends, very good evening. This is Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. This video I'm going to talk about the option strategies short straddle. We are using market neutral trading strategy which gives you some profit while using as a time value. The time value lapse will be the profit in a short straddle kind of strategy. So here we are using simple technique to find out the stock which is suitable for a short straddle that I'm going to discuss in this video. If you are new to my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Just look at this chart. We don't get any idea or any clue about our option strategy. So how I can make the strategy very simple but yet powerful. So using the simple technique that we have discussed on a lot of my videos, so how it gives you the better profitability. So the first thing which we are going to use as a ADX as a technical indicator. So the first one is ADX as a technical indicator we are using for finding out the stock where we are going to make a short strategy. So ADX is a non-directional indicator, but it will show you the strength of the particular instrument or a stock or an index. Using ADX value, we can easily find out the stock, the trend, or the trend of the stock, whether it is a strong or it is a weaker in strength. So that we are going to find out based on this ADX indicator. And again I tell you, ADX indicator is non-directional indicator, and it will show you the strength of the trend, whether the market is in trending or in a range bound. So using ADX, the value of ADX, the ADX value is less than 25. So we may be getting the strength is weaker. Okay, if the ADX value is greater than, if the ADX value is greater than 25, so we may getting the strength of the stock would be in strong. So it will not tell you about the strength or trend. It will not tell you about the trend of the market. It will tell you the strength of the market. Whether the strength is more, the premium of option may increase very big. So that time if you're making a short straddle, that may give you losses on your short straddle. But if you are the stock which is ADX value is less than 25, and some criteria is there to select a stock which is ADX is 25, that we will see in later. So two criteria, one is ADX below 20 and ADX below 25. So when we use the 25 parameter and when we use the 20 parameter, if any stock which gives a rally, if the stock already rallied, the previous history or previous trend is big, so we can select a stock with the ADX value is less than or crossing below 25. Or if your stock always trading a narrow range, so you can select ADX below 20. So if you are finding out any range bound stock, the ADX may be 20, 25 to 20, again 25 to 20, like if it is trading means we can go and focus for a below 20 ADX. But if the stock already rallied, then we can go for a ADX below, break below 25. That is what concept where we are going to apply here. So let's use this scenario when the market is already rallied, or if you check that the ADX values keep on increasing and it started now downwards. That is important, the ADX is facing downward. That is very important while we are selecting the ADX below 25. So after a long time the market is trending because ADX also sloping upward. and now the market started reversal, and you see the previous candle, it is bigger, and now you see the candle size is very smaller because the volatility or the strength of the stock is decreased. Now when I find out the ADX is value is less than 25, when I find out or the ADX is crashing below 25, I think this analysis we have done on our previous video. So the ADX value is down by on 30th, and the ADX on 29th June, the ADX value is around 25.06, and now today the ADX value, that is what 30th June, the ADX value is 23.5. So these 2 days the ADX value is dropping from dropping below 25. So there will be a chances we are going to make a short straddle on this particular stock. The closing price of the stock is around 470. That day I think the premium is around 34 rupees. But market is not moving anywhere now compared to that closing price, and today's closing price almost 8 rupees down from the closing price of 13th June, and now today's 13th July. So almost we gone around 13 days. But how the premium time value it give you as a benefit while if you are making a short straddle kind of strategy. Let's check about the premium of that particular options. Let's see with the NSE website. So this is a world website. You can check for a detailed data. LIC Housing Finance. Okay, let's do it. Now I'm going to take a stock option which is expiry 29th July. We are going to take a call option of 470. Let's take a study. We will take a historical data. Almost we will take a 2 weeks data. So now we got a 2 weeks data. Let's copy it out. And now we will go for a put option of 470. That is same strike price, the straddle we are going to do with the ATM. That is why it is a short straddle. We are going to sell both the options. Now the premium of these two positions. Let's do it. Okay, to make that we will add the two. Okay, we will take that two strike prices premium at on a single point, so where we can easily find out the right premium values. Okay, and let's do with the text mode. On 30th July, we seen that the premium or the market is less than the 25 ADX value. The premium value on 30th July is around the call price, where it is trading 18.35, and the put price is around 17.15. I'm taking the closing price. If you add that, total premium is around 50 and 35. So the total premium were present on this particular day is 35 rupees. Okay, the lot size of the stock is 2000 rupees. Let's find out the total premium which is present, 35 rupees almost. So the 35 rupees premium, how it going to decay on day by day basis, or even some day. This is what the data point where it is showing on 12th July, but the today's price is not shown here. We will calculate today's price also, not an issue. So here the premium where I sold in a put side, which is around near about 17.15 is my selling entry, and now it is trading 17.8. I'm taking the closing to closing price. Meanwhile, it may move to 24 rupees, and this option made on the same date made a low of 9.75. So I'm talking about the closing prices of yesterday. It is around 17.8, so we may lose around 65 paisa. That is what our loss in this particular option. Okay, that is what a loss making position, that is around 65 paisa. It is not a big losses from this particular trade, but here how much premium I gained here from 18.35, now it is trading 11.15. Almost how much I'm getting that about 7.2 rupees is my profit on this particular trade because we shorted both the options. Now 7.25 minus 65 paisa is our loss from this trade. Almost if you are taking a 1 rupee also, not a big thing. So we may get the profit around 6 rupees, 6 plus rupees. That is what, around 12,000 rupees. Within a matter of 10 days or 10 to 12 days, it gives you some 12k return. That is what nice, right? The simple strategy, the selection of the stock or index very much important about using the short strategy. Here we disclosed the same thing before on 30th July. You can check our videos. We recommended this as a short straddle. It's good for the short straddle for the stocks. Almost 12,000 rupees is generative profit. And now what happened to today's value and how it is because today market is down and how the premium is showing right now. And let's check the live market prices. And LIC is around 470 call, which is trading around 10.85, and the put was trading around 16.5. The last trade price is 16.5 and the call price is 10.85. So 10.85 plus 16.5, now we have 27.35. So where we sold around 35.3, so we got around 7 and 8 rupees near about, that is what, around 16,000 rupees approximate profit which gained on this particular stock, which we are selected the stock for a short straddle kind of strategy. That is a selection which is very important while using the short straddle kind of strategy. Let's see, still the market is trading same narrow range. So again you see that the ADX values even moving lower and lower. So we will, even if you keep the positions, even it can increase your profit. So if you select the stock with the right manner, so you may be getting the chances to make a good amount of profit in a short straddle strategy. But sometimes the short straddle strategy required our attention or required our adjustment or management. So whenever the stock moves in a direction, if it is a stock takes in a directional trade or if it is moving against to us, so that time we require some strategies to make that the strategy is less riskier. That we will see in our next video. I hope this video may be useful to you all. Thanks for watching this video and thank you for subscribing my channel, and thanks for your full support. Thank you very much.